This is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see the number of sales, the amount revenue, and the people who paid us money. These are our customers, our valuable customers. Now that's not what I want to show you today. I want to show you something more interesting. You see this little box here, vendor recurring payments. This is the money we make on monthly, weekly, daily basis without extra work. So we basically worked once and we get paid over and over again. How much can it become? Look at last year's income from this account only. Total earning is 698,000, almost 0.7 million, but $100,000 was annual recurring. So in the whole year, we made $100,000, 6 figures in recurring income, which means this year, if we don't work at all, we still make 6 figures. That's the power of a recurring income. Now, if you go to YouTube and look for how to make money online, you'll find all these hundreds of thousands of video creators talking about hundreds of thousands of ways to make money online. But very small number of these creators will tell you about recurring income. Recurring income is like monthly salary without doing a job. All right, we'll come to that, but before that, let me show you where we make money from. We make money using videos. Super simple and super honest, but even more honest. We can't make videos for multiple channels using cameras and microphone, so we don't do that. We solved our problem with our own software Epic. This is how Epic looks like. Epic allows us to make simple and information videos using image, links, and texts. With Epic, we don't need to write script. We just go to the text generator, copy any text from anywhere, paste it right here, and use any of these buttons, rewrite a script. This is artificial intelligence. Epic uses artificial intelligence to write script. And then go to the audio section, use the text to audio, select your favorite voice type, and just put your text to turn this text into natural sounding voiceover in just one click. Then Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos like you see on the right-hand side and save this campaign, and whenever we are happy with the video, simply one click of a button, the video is ready. This takes just 3 to 5 minutes of our times. We make awesome information videos, upload them on YouTube, get people to love our content. They love us, they follow us, they click our links, and we make videos. Now, to make recurring income, we use another software, and that's called Tribe Engine. Tribe Engine builds your tribe who pay you monthly or annual recurring fees for the work you have done only once. So I'll give you an example. Oh, by the way, Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description, go grab it. And yes, I will drop Tribe Engine link as well in the description. You can grab it from there. So let me give you an example. Let's say there are hundreds of thousands of bloggers who need articles or written content every day. And let's say, and this is your client who pays you monthly recurring fees, and this is your client who pays you for your articles. Now, instead of getting paid for each article every time, you can go with a deal with them. Hey, I will give you 10 articles per month or 30 articles per month. For that, you pay me $30,000. Maybe $3,000, maybe for you $13,000. But you pay me per month, I will give you articles per month. And every day your article will be ready in your members area. A lot of bloggers will be happy because their content is ready in their members area every day. Now you work 1 day, 2 day, or 3 day, get your content ready, upload it on your Google Drive or Dropbox folder, and connect it with your Tribe Engine software, and it's ready to rock and roll. Give your client the link, they will buy from you, they will subscribe to your membership, and they keep paying you months after months for your work. Now you made it ready for one client. How about you want to sell your bundle of articles to 10 clients? If one client pays you $500 per month, then 10 clients pays you $5,000 a month for the same work you did within 2 to 3 days and upload it in your Google Drive. Now your job is to get more and more customers to get paid over and over and over again. Each customer will pay you over and over again on monthly recurring basis. Now if you want to take a break, let's say you are happy with your income and you just want to take a break. Take a break. You still have existing customers to pay you on monthly recurring basis. Let's look at us. We made videos using Epic and our other videos. We published them on YouTube. Those videos got us traffic and customers. And these customers keep paying us 6 figures every year. Even if we don't make new videos or don't work to get new customers, we still have our existing customers paying us 6 figures every year. Now, in my case, I'm heavily motivated, so I'm working hard to build a bigger tribe paying us more and more money so we can get to $1 million per year yearly recurring, and from there $1 million per month monthly recurring. Another example are these people, the YouTubers who publish videos every single day. There are hundreds of thousands of them. Look at this topic, history. Again, hundreds of YouTube channels making thousands of videos. They need videos every single day. Okay, go ahead, use Epic, make 10, 20, 30, 50 videos. Each video will take a couple of minutes of your time using artificial intelligence. Put them in your Google Drive, connect them with Tribe Engine. Links are all in the description, by the way. You can get Epic and Tribe Engine from the links in the description. And then go ahead, talk to these YouTubers, find them and tell them, hey, do you want your videos ready every single day or every single week, however you want to sell? We have made the videos for you. They will be delivered to you every day, automatically. For 2 videos per week, you pay us $500 a month. For 4 videos per week, you pay us $1,000 a month. Now, if you have 1 client, they pay you $1,000 a month for the same work you have done only once. If you have 10 clients like this, you will get $10,000 a month for the same work you have done only once. So what do you need now? You need Epic first. Link is in the description, go grab it. Epic is free, by the way. And to build your own tribe and generate monthly recurring fees or annual recurring income, you need Tribe Engine. Link is in the description. Now, why Tribe Engine? Why not other members area? Because Tribe Engine does what others don't. This is the simplest way to drag and drop your files on your Google Drive and your Dropbox and create your own membership and subscription system. It connects with most of the applications we use, most of the autoresponders we use, and it can deliver as you want, so daily, monthly, and get you paid automatically. So go ahead, get Tribe Engine, use together with Epic. Use Epic to get customers through your videos. Use Tribe Engine to put them on monthly or annual recurring and get paid 6 figures per year or even more recurring income.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once a render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. And I want you to participate in this noble mission. All you have to do is to hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. And share this video in your social media timelines like your Facebook timeline and your Twitter timeline, and help others learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money. Hundreds of thousands of other people make money, and you can make money too. Go ahead, hit like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video.